it's me, Amari, and today I am going to be making pizza!
Glitter gang gang bang!
Woo! So my ingredients are pepperonis. I have 3 different kinds of cheeses. I have Italian cheese, mozzarella cheese, and pizza cheese. And my sauce is right over here. And then I have some bacon. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so that way you will see my video when I make stuffed breadsticks out of pizza crust.
So Amari, what kind of pizza you making today?
Double the cheese, double the pepperonis, and double the bacon.
Ooh, so let's get started. We're gonna give you a medium amount of sauce. You could just pour that right on there.
Bam.
Spread it.
Spread. Okay, there we go. There go that pizza. This that split. This that split right there.
You need just a little bit more. Mix that in.
Okay, do I put some on the edges?
All right, no, none on the edges. That's your crust.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with mozzarella. Get a big handful. Big measurements. Big handful.
I'm just gonna measure that.
Measurements. Another big handful.
Double the cheese. What am I on?
Italian cheese. Measurements. Daddy dump. Mix all of that around a little bit. Don't get your hands messed up in the sauce. Just the cheese. Get a medium handful of that and put it on the top.
Medium handful. There we go.
One more. Why not? It's extra cheese. Lit Amari pizza. Pepperonis.
I'm gonna name this Amari GlitterWorld special. Woo! It's a party on the pizza. Do. Y'all, I'm gonna ask y'all a question. Down in the comments, can you please tell us what is your favorite pizza? Flavor? Okay. Lit pizza. I don't care. Wherever I put them. Woo!
Let's show them what we working with.
And that. Why not?
What they taste like? Do a sprinkle of those.
Lit pizza. Bacon. The bacon dump.
Italian cheese. Daddy dump.
And that is how you make a pizza.